Welcome to the Stormly Shopify app. I'm going to show you how to use our app to analyze shopper behavior and increase your revenue. So let's go and open the app. It will direct us to the Shopify app. So we'll start with creating a new report. We click on reports. We pick one, for example, cart abandonment. And we'll just have to click on the events. The events are automatically set up for you when you install the Stormly Shopify app, so there's nothing to do there. So it asks for what's the add to cart event. So we click add to cart, the revenue of the add to cart, the view product event, the purchase product event, and the revenue of the purchase product. And as well, some identifier, which is usually, you can use SKU. That's the one that we track by default, as well as the name of the product. And that's it. You can as well do comparisons by date, for example, last 7 days versus the week before that, or maybe different audiences like Germany versus Spain, or everyone that at least looked at that shirt versus everyone that didn't have that behavior. So let's run the report. And like that, we'll have our report here with all the metrics. So what's the average add to cart value, how many views, how many purchases, conversion, and more importantly, how much revenue is lost because of cart abandonment, and how much could we potentially recover. So there's like the opportunity, etc. But what's interesting as well is that and here's where you can automate most of your reporting needs. Save the report, cart abandonment. And then set up an email schedule. Let's say every morning at 9 a.m. You can say, what are the you save it, and what's happening then is you will every day at 9 a.m. get a report in your email where our AI will summarize the cart abandonment, next steps, things you have to look at, whatever is necessary. So it's very proactive. It will save you a lot of time. And you don't have to go into Stormly. You can just go into the email, see how the report looks like, and that's it. And if there's something that's standing out you have to know about, you can go back into Stormly. So next step is building your dashboard, so you can add elements from the report to a dashboard. So there's one already prepared where you can see, for example, average order value by product category, by size, brand, comparing purchase funnels for different countries, revenue by brand, etc. So you can go all the way to, looking at specific revenue contribution by SKU, or looking at the performance of new arrivals and cross-selling. Performance reports. Go to audience, and let's say everyone that looked more than once at dresses. So more than one, and then we're going to specify what kind of item. So let's say dresses. Okay. More than once. Then we're going to open one of the reports we have, for example, revenue contribution. And let's put in the audience. So looked at dresses more than once and didn't look at dresses more than once. So we can see that the people that did look at dresses, a small amount of our user base, a small amount of our shoppers, but the conversion is higher. So you can use our AI as well to ask some questions. So what are the you get an explanation like that by the AI.